Starters orders and away they go for the Vijay Textiles Golconda Derby Stakes Grade 1 2008, and Golden Shadow takes it up there from Smart Empire with on the outside there Champ Forever comes up to take the lead. Champ Forever from Golden Shadow, then the Smart Empire on the inner rails, Retribution, then comes Vijay Raj as they go down the winning post for the first time, then there's South Star, Orochi, Spruce Springsteen, Scimitar there. On the inner rails there, hitting up there is Classic, Welcome Back, Classic Sky on the outside, and the Hurricane up on the wide outside as they go towards the 1800 meter marker. Champ Forever calling the tune, ahead by about 2.5 lengths there. In second place is Golden Shadow, tracking on the outside. In third is Smart Empire, then comes Retribution, followed by Vijay Raj. South Stars comes in next on the inner rails, then about 4 lengths behind there is Orochi. On the outside of Orochi as they pass the mile marker is Spruce Springsteen, then comes Scimitar, Welcome Back, then there's Classic Sky, a further 3 lengths away there the Hurricane, and about 4 lengths away in the rear is King of Habash. They take that right-handed turn towards the 1400 meter marker, and it is Champ Forever making the running and leading this field by about 4 lengths from Smart Empire. Another 3 lengths away there's Golden Shadow, then comes Retribution, followed by Vijay Raj. All the time tracking Vijay Raj in the inside rails is South Star, then comes Spruce Springsteen, followed by Orochi. Another 3/4 lengths behind there is Scimitar, followed by Welcome Back and Classic Sky together. Another 3 lengths away there is Hurricane, about 7-8 lengths behind there is King of Habash as they start climbing up, approaching the 800 meter marker. Champ Forever still cutting out the pace by about a length there from Smart Empire. Golden Shadow with Retribution upon the outside. Then there is South Star. On the wide outside is Orochi. Then comes Classic Sky, Vijay Raj. Then there's Welcome Back. On the outside there is Hurricane. Then there is in the rear Hurricane, the King of Habash. But into the last as they swing round the corner and enter into the straight, and as they have a little over 400 to go, Retribution takes up the running by about 4 lengths from Orochi. Then there is South Star, followed there by Golden Shadow. Then there is Orochi, Smart Empire, Vijay Raj, Spruce Springsteen, the Hurricane, and Welcome Back. But inside the last 150 meters, at Retribution well clear by about 3.5 to 4 from Orochi. South Star is in third, Golden Shadow, followed by Orochi, Vijay Raj, the Hurricane, and Smart Empire. And as they go into the last 50 meters for this Vijay Textiles Golconda Derby Stakes Grade 1, and Retribution lifting it off in style by about a length and a half from Orochi, finishing up second. Then comes South Star, followed by Scimitar, Golden Shadow. Then comes the Hurricane, Vijay Raj there. Then there is Spruce Springsteen, followed by Smart Empire, King of Habash, Welcome Back. Then comes Champ Forever and Classic Sky.